So now we'll see the second concept, rules regarding this exponents. So whenever you have same base with different powers, so you can simplify this and write as the common base and adding the powers. So we have a power m into a power n. So this can be written as a to the power of m plus n. Say for example, if you have 7 power 3 into 7 power 7, so this can be simplified and written as 7 power 3 plus 7, so which is equal to 7 power 10. Suppose you have 4 to the power of 2.5. So now what is the value for this? So here we have 4 to the power of 2.5, which can also be written as 4 to the power of 2 into 4 to the power of 0.5. So 4 power 2 is 4 square, which is 16. So 4 power 0.5. So 0.5 is also equal to half. So when you have power as half, it means it is root of 4. So here 4 square is 16, 4 to the power of 0.5 is root of 4. And what is square root of 4? It is 2. So 16 into 2, 32. So this type of questions is asked in simplification part. So this is a simple concept. So when you know the basics, you can attend this with confidence. So 4 power 2.5 can be written as 4 power 2 plus 0.5 or 4 square into 4 power 0.5. So 4 power 0.5 is nothing but square root of 4, which is 2. So the answer is 32. Now suppose if you have same base in quotient with different powers. So here a power m divided by a power n. So this can be written as a power m minus n. So when you are dividing with same base, you have to subtract the powers. So don't divide the powers. Say for example, so 2 power 6 minus 2 power 3. So this question also was asked in previous exam. So 2 power 6 minus 2 power 3. So the options is 4, 8, 1 and 56. So what will be the answer here? So when you subtract 6 minus 3, you will have as 3. 2 power 3 will be 8. Suppose if you wrongly divide 6 by 3, it will be 2. 2 square is 4. So but here you can't divide or subtract the powers because this is not quotient. So 4 and 8 are not the answers. So you have to take the common factor outside. So in 2 power 6 minus 2 cube, the common factor is 2 power 3. So out of 6 2's, I have taken 3 2's outside. So the remaining 2 cube will be inside minus 1. So when this is in quotient, we subtract the powers, but this is not quotient, so this is different. So you can't subtract or divide the powers. So taking out this common, so we have 2 cube 8. 8 minus 1 is 7, and here 2 cube it is 8. So 8 into 7 is 56. So for this expression answer is 56. So don't in a hurry subtract the powers and go for 8 or divide the powers and go for 4. And the next is power over the powers. So suppose you have a power m, the whole power n. So you can multiply the powers and write it as a power mn. Say for example, 2 power 2 cube. So here what will be the power of 2? So if you write it as 6, so then the answer is wrong. So because, so when there is 2 square whole power 3, only then you can multiply the powers. So I have told you brackets has first priority. So first the one which is inside the bracket is executed. What is 2 square? 4 power 3, or this can be written as 2 power 2 into 3, 6. So answer for this will be 2 power 2 cube, that is 8. So understand the concepts and attend the question. So these are all simple concepts. So 2 power 2, the whole power 3 is 6. 2 power 2 cube is 2 power 8. So the next one is a power minus m. So whenever the power is negative, you can reciprocate the number. Say you have 4 power minus 3. So you can write this as 4 power 3. Suppose when you have minus 4 power 3, so don't write as 1 by 4 cube. So this is just minus 64 will be the answer. So when you have two different base with common power, so this can be written as a power m into b power m. So both the bases has same powers. Say if suppose they give an equation as root of ab, so this can also be written as root of a into root of b. Suppose you are asked to find square root of 729 and 81. So instead of multiplying and then finding the square root, so you can take square root and then multiply. So root of 729 is 27 and root of 81 is 9. So then you can multiply and give the product. And the last one is a power 0 is 1. Any base which has power as 0, value will be 1. So whatever the base may be, so when you have the power of 0, it is 1. And also, suppose you have 1 power 3, so what will be the value? So 1 power 3 is 1. So what is the value of 1 power minus 3? So you may have a confusion whether it is minus 1 or 3, but clearly it is 1. So 1 power any, for base of 1 for any power, so value will be 1 always. So whether it is a fraction or whether it is a negative fraction, always the value will be 1. So based on these rules of exponents, you understand the concepts and attend the questions.